Okay, first response test. Isolate BWC ICPO. BWC ICPO and NVIDIA. Kahit BWC lang muna. Kasi marami na tayong BWC. Skylight Cruiser 60 control. Huwag muna tayo mag-check. May response test tayo. Send units to location. Corner San Juan, Santa Magdalena Street, Ledesma, La Paz, Iloilo City. Kami. Start time. Nagsimula yung time natin nung nag-copy na siya. Kasi na-receive na nila yung information. Sonic Mic 2. If you monitor, hanapin nyo yung bahay na kulay ng gate is puti. Tama yan. Tapunin nyo, hanapin nyo si Miss Linda. Tapunin nyo yung tinta. Harap nyo sa camera, hanapin nyo. Yan. Responding units, if you monitor, reverse salute to our Rank PTD members, to our chairman, here in IC3. You reverse salute. Carry out, Tangoyanti. Response test number 2, send units to Barangay Hall, San Vicente, Aro, Iloilo City. Code 2. Copy nila na. Receive na yung call, ma'am. Time starts. Receive na yung call. Number 2. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. May nakarating na. Number 2. Ang nakakita ko 10 minutes na. 10 seconds na yan. Maraming salamat po muli sa operation. And thank you po sa suporta. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Good job. Congratulations. Tangoyanti. Back to your locations, SPY areas. Napatunayan natin yung ICPO. Kaya yung 5-minute response. Before going to 9/11, if you want, barangay tayo. Jokebox, Cruiser 6, prepare for response test. Jokebox, send units to location. Casa Lucila, Manok. Send units, code 2. Copy. Time.
Casa Lucila, Barangay Dalawalo.
Nandiyan na. 2 minutes. Yeah, monitor. Your response time is in 2 minutes and Villegas in 2 minutes and 1 second. You can call 911 on your phone. Press 1 for police assistance, press 2 for emergency, press 3 for disaster.
Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Mayroong nagkaroon dito sa harapan ng Luzon Institute of Technology na Past Iloilo City. Ito yung response. Location is La Paz, Iloilo City. Western Institute of Technology. Burgos Street, La Paz, Iloilo City.
Monitor niya lang kung monitor niya siya sa kanya naman. Napatawag. Ito na. Hindi yan? Ha?
Yes, sir.
Ito na?
Yes, sir.
May pulis na dyan. Tatawag dyan, magtataka yan. Magulo. Tatawagin na naman.
Ayan na.
Yan na, pulis.
Hello.
Screen mo, sir.
Basta.
Hindi niyo siya pieces sa next lang.
May tawag po, yung 911, that's your number. Yung 911, po para i-communicate. Requesting for police assistance regarding
Nakamark ka na.
with the missing
Mark na yung phone.
That's correct. We are just testing your response time. Priya Prosix. Nandito ako sa Captain Galo. Thank you very much for your response time. 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Palagpakan natin yung